Hello everyone, my name is Raymond Macmillan. In this video, I'll be talking about excesses, franchise, and deductibles. The reason is some people think you have to pay for this when you start the insurance policy. Not at all. An excess is simply a small amount which you contribute to a loss at the time there's a claim. If there is no claim, you don't pay any excess. It is couched in the policy, it is noted in the policy as payment required for each and every claim. Prior to there being excess under the policy, in the early century, it was a franchise. Ladies and gentlemen, look how a franchise used to work. Let's say the policy had a £500 franchise. It meant the insured, or you, the ordinary citizen, would be paying all claims up to that 500 limit. However, from the time the claim hits a £501, the insurer pays the full bill. But guess what, ladies and gentlemen? There was a time the insurers doing their research and they say, but all the claims are coming above 500. Maybe something is wrong here. They devised the term the excess and said, you know what? We will now charge each client an excess which is compulsory for each and every claim. Not paid up front, only applies when there's a claim. There is something called a voluntary excess, and it's usually found in motor insurance, where in addition to the standard excess under the policy, you as the insured or the ordinary citizen buying insurance can now opt to buying a second excess called a voluntary excess. Some people buy this in exchange for a lower premium. I want to ask you to bear in mind, if a loss takes place and the insurers compensate you, you would now have to pay the standard excess and also the voluntary excess. There's another type of franchise which is used in health insurance. It's called a time franchise. And all that simply says is if there's a claim, you need to wait a certain period before you can get benefit under the policy. If it's a new policy, 21 days. If it's a renewal, usually 7 days. Now, let's talk about a deductible. Very simple. A deductible is a very large excess. Full stop. Sometimes it's not unusual to find a deductible in the sum of £1 million. Some policies, however, doesn't quote the deductible in a fixed amount. It can be a percentage. And that's the difference between the excess, the claim, the franchise, and the deductible. If you like what you have heard, click like below and share it with your friends. If you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. And if you would like to get access to my new videos which will be posted, you can just click the notification bell and you would have access to all my new videos. Now, if you have any questions, just put it in the comments below and I would be pleased to respond. I promise you I'll respond to your comments. Or might I say, if there's some type of insurance or something which you would like me to talk about, put it in the comments below and I promise you I'll respond. Thank you for your time.